Fame is the fire that fuels the dream, that powers the engine that turns the world. Passion is lightning that creates a spark that lives in the heart of a boy and girl. Everyone tries in their own way. Everyone lives for a dream. The stars in the heavens can tell you to believe is a powerful thing. Yeah, you gotta want it from the bottom of your heart. You gotta give it everything you got. You gotta live it and never let it go. Live it so completely, body, mind, and soul. Faith is the candle that burns inside. It stands all alone in the face of the wind. Love has the power to harness the stars and take us to places we've never been. Everyone walks through the